Welcome! In this video, you'll get to learn fees that will apply while selling through remote fulfillment with FBA and how program fulfillment fees are determined. When enrolling to remote fulfillment, you will be able to sell in Mexico and Canada. This means that program fulfillment fees and referral fees apply that are different than the U.S. fees. Referral fees will be charged based on the marketplace where the customer buys the item. Remote fulfillment program fulfillment fees will apply only to sales of products on Amazon.ca and Amazon.com.mx. For sales on Amazon.com, standard U.S. fulfillment fees will apply. Keep in mind that customers, not sellers, pay import duties on items bought through remote fulfillment. Fees for remote fulfillment with FBA are determined by product size and shipping weight. Remote fulfillment sales incur higher fulfillment fees to account for the costs of cross-border fulfillment to Canada and Mexico. These apply year-round and replace the local fulfillment fees in Canada and Mexico. To calculate the fee for your product, you can use this size and weight tables, also available by typing in the Seller Central browser Remote Fulfillment with FBA fees. To determine the product size tier, 1. Determine the volume and dimensions of the product. 2. Determine the unit weight and dimensional weight of the product. 3. You can use the table product size tier, also available on the Remote Fulfillment with FBA Fees help page, to determine the right size tier. For standard size products that weigh 0.75 pounds or less, use the unit weight. For all other products, use the larger of either the single unit weight or the dimensional weight. To determine the shipping weight, 1. Determine the volume and dimensions of the product. 2. Determine the size tier of the product. 3. Determine the unit weight of the product. 4. Determine the dimensional weight and if it is used to calculate the fees for the product. This table can help you determine the shipping weight of the product. Keep in mind that the unit weight is the weight of an individual product in manufacturer-provided packaging. For small standard size and large standard size products weighing more than 0.75 pounds and all small oversized and medium oversized products, Amazon uses dimensional weight when it is greater than the unit weight. If a product is sold as a set, the weight and dimensions used are the weight and dimensions of the set packaged together. If you would like to see more details, please query the Seller Central help page by typing in Remote Fulfillment with FBA Fees into the search bar. That wraps up our video on costs and fees for remote fulfillment with FBA. Thank you and happy selling!